Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Aniruddha for you, and I'm really sorry that I couldn't find any time to upload the videos on this channel for last 3 to 4 months because I was really occupied with my work and stuff. Now I'm back to routine. I really hope you guys are doing well. It's 10 in the morning already and we are late for the ride because I was working late last night, but it's okay. So now we have decided to have breakfast at Sham Sundar Misra. This place is very close to my heart. So let's go have some breakfast and then let's continue to ride, and I'll update you with the place and location of the ride.
Few moments later.
Done with the breakfast, now let's go get the tank fueled up for the ride. So today is August 15th and I wish you all a very happy 75th Independence Day. Nowadays it really feels great to ride in or around the city as it is raining since last few days and weather around is slightly cold. Cold breeze along with the clear weather. What else do you want while riding, right? And that's what I love about the Nashik City. We are heading towards an offbeat location today as we really want to avoid going any crowded places around, and that's another responsibility which has fallen onto our shoulders. Means all of us. Yeah, so Alandi Dam is the location's name, which is situated amidst the nature. It is a bit on inner side of the village which we are passing through right now. The road conditions here are not so great, which is good in a way as it has been many days since we have done or rode in any of the off-road conditions, and this place is about 8 to 10 kilometers away from main road which goes to Girnare, and surrounded around by nature is just like a detour from regular routine to get your stress level down, and that's what I love about offbeat or untouched places. What a beautiful place this is. I'm sure that GoPro isn't doing justice right now. So I have been riding this Himalayan for a while now, and I must say that my heart goes to adventure tourer bikes now. However, I am a classic lover since a long time. When I test rode this bike, I felt this as a very well equipped bike, taking technology, comfort, speed, handling, and braking into consideration. Also, as we all know that Royal Enfields are well known for their torque, I must say that I can feel the torquiness in the bike, and the pulling is very beautiful. And especially I'm in love with the long travel suspensions and this beautiful adventure ready beast. Maneuvering this bike in such condition isn't really difficult, as I have been riding a classic 350 since last 5.5 years, so I am a bit habituate of riding heavy bikes. So for me it is a easy going bike. By any chance, if you liked what you see, please like and share the video, and please subscribe to the channel for more such productive and informative content. You can also follow me on Instagram, where all the little updates are shared, and also you can watch all the recent reels and posts related to the videos and the places I visit. See you guys super soon in the next video, and yes, from now onwards every Sunday a vlog will be uploaded on the channel. Till then, stay safe and take care. Please ride safe guys. Have a great day and a great week ahead. Bye bye.